Go. Teamwork, cadets.
G because, yeah. And then
E.
Speak loudly, clearly, so we can hear you.
And
that one
dash and a dot.
dash and N.
This is quick work, cadets. I'm liking it so
So
far.
then another dot.
E.
Yeah. And then
Dot, dash, dot.
Oh. And A. And the last
And
one.
then dot, dash, dot, dot.
One more letter.
L.
L.
Okay, first word. Fantastic work.
Dash,
Let's
dot,
keep going.
N.
Yeah. Must be 7.
There, U.
Yeah.
Dot, dot. I.
Where are we? Starts S. A.
Dot,
No,
dash, E.
Is it? Oh.
Yeah.
It's just because I think it might be.
And then,
That's an N. Yeah, it's an N. I thought so because we already put.
and then
It might be a C because nuisance.
slash
Okay, brilliant.
dot. General nuisance.
3 words remaining, guys.
O.
You got it.
We have to work considerably faster, cadets.
Dash, dot.
N.
I'm genuinely anxious.
G.
Perhaps allocating roles. One of you work out the next letter while the other person's
J.
manning
What's the
the
next
screen.
one?
U.
Then.
And then
Is it B or?
dot, dot. I.
Oh, guys, it's getting really tight.
Jubilee, possibly. L.
Cadets, not quite. There was some good work there, but you weren't fast enough. Ben, can we please use Alpha Team to decode the message?
Sending to Alpha Team now. Stand by. The message read General Nuisance on Jubilee deck.
Does that sound like a location within something?
Within the warship.
Within the warship. Fantastic. So what should we ask for?
Ben, can we have a map of the warship?
Sending a map of the warship to you now.
Aha, we have before us a map of HMS Belfast. What are we after?
Jubilee deck.
Brilliant. We've got essential information of a location, which is Jubilee Deck. What other information did we decipher from that Morse code?
General nuisance is on it.
General nuisance is on it. Who should we tell?
Agent L.
Agent L? Agent L, you there, please?
I'm right here by HMS Belfast, headed towards the city pier, and you can see the ship behind me. What have you managed to find out so far?
General nuisance is on the deck.
Agent L, do you know who General Nuisance is?
General Nuisance? Oh no, Agent J. Do you know which deck that he is on?
The Jubilee deck.
The Jubilee deck, great. OK, I'll head over to the Jubilee deck, see what other information you can find out.
Great work. OK, cadets, what should we do?
Find out about general nuisance.
Who should we ask?
Ben.
Ben, who is general nuisance?
Disgraced Marine General Nuisance is a long-serving military man, known for his short temper and stubbornness. Since leaving the services, he's been hiring himself out to some of the world's worst criminal masterminds.
Cadets, want to see more Spy School? Let us know in the comments what you want to see next.
I'm watching.
This is Spy School.